Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is October 25th, 2024, and we've got a lineup of intriguing stories from the world of Tesla and beyond. Remember, you can find links to all the stories in the episode notes. In a recent incident, Tesla faced a significant environmental challenge when over 500 gallons of chemicals used to cool its AI supercomputer were accidentally released into a storm drain, contaminating Matadero Creek. This spill, which occurred on October 17th, was attributed to human error during a system drainage process. The Palo Alto Fire Department swiftly responded, recovering 550 gallons of the chemical mixture. Although there was no immediate risk to public health, the lack of communication to local residents and agencies raised concerns. Cleanup efforts are ongoing, with Tesla hiring Clean Harbors for remediation. This incident has sparked discussions about Tesla's safety protocols and the need for better communication and transparency in environmental matters. Elon Musk recently made a notable admission regarding Tesla's HW3 computer, acknowledging that it may not support full self-driving FSD technology as previously claimed. During a conference call discussing Tesla's Q3 2024 financial results, Musk expressed uncertainty about HW3's ability to achieve the necessary safety levels for unsupervised FSD. He emphasized that HW4, Tesla's newer hardware, offers significantly greater capabilities. If HW3 cannot deliver FSD, Tesla plans to offer free upgrades to HW4 for those who purchase the FSD package. This admission has raised concerns about Tesla's past claims and the ongoing sale of the FSD package despite these uncertainties. Tesla's stock experienced a surge following its Q3 earnings report, which revealed a gross margin of 19.8%, surpassing expectations. While car sales saw a modest revenue increase, the energy generation and storage division grew by over 50%, proving more profitable with a 31% gross profit margin. Tesla's energy offerings, including the Megapack and Powerwall, are gaining traction as demand for energy storage solutions rises. CEO Elon Musk expressed optimism about a potential rebound in car sales, predicting a 20% to 30% increase in deliveries next year. Tesla is positioning itself as more than just a car manufacturer, focusing on its energy business as a key growth area. Tesla's third-quarter earnings for 2024 exceeded expectations, driven by strong vehicle deliveries. The company reported a net income of $2.1 billion, surpassing the consensus estimate. This performance was bolstered by a record 500,000 vehicle deliveries, reflecting a 20% increase year over year. Tesla's revenue rose to $25 billion, indicating robust demand for its electric vehicles. CEO Elon Musk highlighted efforts to ramp up production and improve supply chain efficiencies. Despite rising competition in the EV market, Tesla's strong earnings report reflects its resilience and ability to adapt. Tesla's long-discussed $25,000 electric vehicle has faced significant changes, with CEO Elon Musk now describing the concept as pointless and silly. Instead, the focus is on the Cybercab, a robo-taxi prototype, as the only vehicle intended for that price point. This shift marks a departure from Musk's earlier statements about producing a low-cost EV. The evolution of this idea has been tumultuous, with internal discussions revealing a focus on robotaxi development. The ongoing uncertainty raises questions about the future of affordable EVs from Tesla. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of Tesla and technology.